Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm using Perm to style my hair. So I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner to just assist with the wetness. I've already pre-oiled and moisturized my hair, so I'm just going to be using the deep conditioner to make the hair wet so that it helps with setting using the perm rods, hopefully. So this is my first time of trying the perm rods on my natural hair, so I'm just trying this to give you guys feedback and see how the outcome will be like. Okay, hopefully it turns out really well, and it's something that I really like. So I'm just going to be using this perm rod set that I found in the markets. These are a different type of perm rods, so I'm going to be posting the picture on my Instagram page. I completely forgot to show you guys a clear, complete picture of the package when I got it on this video, but I'll be showing you guys the picture of it on Instagram, so you can head on to my Instagram page and just check out the perm rod set. Okay, so I'm just going to wet my hair, detangle it, and then just roll it on the perm rod set. So I just gave you guys a brief tutorial or a show of what the perm rod set looks like. So pretty much detachable, everything is detachable, just fixing the wire and the roller together. Just before we go on further into this video, you guys please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and of course please, as usual, try this tutorial out and then let me know what the experience is like for you in the comment section, or if this is something you will never try, also let me know. Let's know why you will never give this a try. Okay, so guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and let's connect also there. So let's just go right into the video and let's continue with the rollers. I should add also that I used 2 sets of this perm rod, so it was like 12 in a pack, and so I used like 24 rollers in total. Ideally, because of the fullness of my hair, I think I should have gotten 3 sets or maybe 4, but at least 3 sets. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I did the whole setting of everything a day before, and then I just put on my bonnet and just went about my life. So today I'm supposed to go out, and then I want to take down these rollers and just see what the definition is like, and then style and see what the outcome is and share with you guys. So let's see how this comes out. I'm a bit here and there on the definition. I expected it to be a lot more firmer, but it's not as I would have loved for it to be. But again, maybe because I didn't use as much rollers as I should have used in the first place, so maybe that contributed to the definition of everything. But overall, I think if fullness is something you're looking for, then I think it did the job of making my hair look very full, really full. And I think I liked that because I finally ended up staying with this style of just wearing a band over my hair, and then I just moved with it. So if fullness is something you're looking for, then maybe you should try this out. Okay guys, so this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.